welcome to the Innovation Den, as 6 people battle it out to win the investment from our dragons. You will witness euphoric highs. Did their idea excel, or was it too one note? Oh, and crushing lows.
Do you see that there's a risk to people not being invited to meetings?
So the aim of the game is to get hold of these. The idea with the most reply rupees by the end of today will get made into a reality. We have funding to make a proof of concept of the idea that receives the most. Are you ready to meet your dragons?
I really love the idea because we have this problem all the time. I would want to understand how close you can get it to authenticity. So
I think it is something that is definitely a consideration.
Wanting our employees to believe these events really happened.
Where with the sliders, that's what
I would literally spend my entire time just adding people into a meeting.
That's a good thing though, right? That means you want it.
Literally.
We're looking at building a Microsoft Team meshing extension.
We've spoken about is could we extend this to a team? So
a Teams automation, so we can send out a request to a specific group of people.
And what happens if nobody in that kind of predetermined pool picks up?
how will it work with colleagues or employees who don't have BYOD?
Have you thought about ways that you can incentivise this?
Frontline Digest is an absolute essential tool for all frontline workers across all industries.
And if you can believe it, I am just as enthusiastic with the Frontline Digest as Nino's.
I really like this because actually it ticks all the boxes.
Great pitches.
Brilliant partnerships, a couple of stand-up partnerships. I think you really played to your strengths.
And the winner of this year's Innovation Den is with Frontline Digest! Woo!